Hey y'all. So it's been a few days since I've been trying this anti-snoring device, and it gets more oxygen to the brain, so on and so forth. And I just wanted to come back and let you guys know that my partner did say that I don't snore as much anymore, and I do feel like I am sleeping heck of a lot better, and it's not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be, due to the fact that we did shape it to our nostril size and everything, which you'll see, and when you purchase, you'll notice that that is a thing, and it's easy to make for your specific nostril. But also, I just wanted to say that, heck yeah, it works. Go check them out.